Now we will create our first project in KiCad. In order to do so, let's first of all launch our KiCad application. So this is the front window of our KiCad. In order to create a first project, go to File and click New Project, and which you can choose your directory. Currently I am choosing desktop, and change the file name to, let's say, get started, and make sure you have checked this create a new folder for the project checkbox, so that it can also create a folder with the name get started. So after doing so, hit save. You can see on the left side that our project has been created, and you can also visit the place where you have saved your project. I have saved on the desktop. This is the folder, and in this folder our project files are present. So in the front look, you can see over here on the left side that this is our KiCad project file with the extension of KiCad_pro, and in the project file there are this is KiCad_PCB file, and the other file that is created is the KiCad schematic file with the extension KiCad_schematic. So in order to create a backup for this file, you can change the settings for creating a backup. Go to preferences, and in the preferences section you can select common, and over here you can see under the section of project backup that either you want to automatically backup your project or create backup when autosave occurs. So these are the settings for creating backup and for your save options, which you can choose as per your requirement, as per your interest. So in this way you can create backup of your files. So let's hit OK. On the right side you can see over here there are different tools of the KiCad, like this is schematic editor, this is symbol editor, PCB editor, footprint editor, Gerber viewer, image converter, calculator tools, drawing sheet editor, and plugins and content manager. These are all the tools. So if you run a tool, like if you run a schematic editor, this will open up the schematic file of this project, which is this one, get started.kicad_sch, means schematic extension. Similarly, if you open a PCB editor, this will open the PCB file of this KiCad get started KiCad_PCB. So if, let's say, if I open this schematic editor by clicking over here on the schematic editor, this will launch this schematic editor. So this schematic editor, the file of the project that is opened is this one. So in this way you can launch the schematic editor tool of your KiCad.